reasons why affiliate marketing is the best business for beginners. If you're new to my YouTube channel, my name is Darius McKinney, and in this video we're going to talk about reasons why affiliate marketing is the best first business for beginners in 2019. And also, if you stick to the end of the video, I'm going to give you a free gift, so you don't want to miss that. So let's jump into today's content. So the first reason is because you have no inventory of the product. So basically, when you're affiliate, you just promote the product or the service that you recommend to consumers, and that's pretty much it. Because you're just affiliate of the product, you're just promoting it to other people, which you don't have like full control over the product. So that's why that's the reason number one. So the second reason why is because you don't have to deal with customer service. So you don't have to, if somebody has a problem with the product or services, they don't come to you, they come to the company of the product and services. So you just chill and you're relaxed. You don't have to deal with none of that. So the only thing you have to deal with is getting people to your email list and getting traffic to your business, and all the insights of inside your business. So you don't have to deal with customer service at all. So the third reason why affiliate market is best business for beginners is because you have a cheap overhead. So like the lowest overhead you probably have is like for sales funnels probably like $70, $90, depending on what company you go with. Then you have landing pages, which could be up to like $50 depending on what company you work with. And then the traffic sources, and you can do free or paid traffic. So the lowest I know is probably, you can be, the lowest startup is like $100, and depends on what you trying to, like if you're a beginner or advanced, you probably start out like $100. So beginners probably start at $100, and the more advanced people that have been doing affiliate market for years probably like start off with like $500 or $600. Just depends on what they want to do in their business. So the fourth reason why affiliate marketing is the best business for beginners is because it's very scalable, which you have, of course, you have low overhead costs. So basically, you can start out with $0 from today, and if you once you start making money like 2-3 months from now, like $1,000, then you can scale that into paid ads and make more money to $10,000, $20,000 per month, $30,000 per month. So you can quickly scale up once you start doing paid ads. So the fifth reason why affiliate marketing is the best business for beginners is because it's low risk. So basically, when you do stocks and stuff, you're counting on the make profit in the beginning. Affiliate marketing, if you're doing, for example, if you're doing free paid, I mean not paid, but if you're doing free traffic with affiliate marketing, that's free money basically, because you're not spending no money to acquire that customer and getting them to buy a product, and then you gotta cut the profit up from the business model you're doing. So basically, affiliate marketing is the best for beginners because it's low risk, and you don't have to worry about anything in between. For like stocks, you know, that stocks is like high business model. Then you got Amazon FBA, you got to worry about the customer support and all that stuff, and the profit, make a profit from that one product. And so there's a lot of risk of being involved. So affiliate marketing is just, you just promote it and you just basically get simply paid. So the last reason why affiliate marketing is the best business for beginners is because you don't have to create any products or digital products. Because if you're a big brand, you can automatically create your own product because you know people already like you and trust you. But what if you're just a beginner like you are? Nobody don't know you and trust you, so you might not make money for like a whole year because you have to build trust and you have to build likability and people to get to know you. So that's the reason why you don't have to create products for affiliate marketing. You just promote proven products already that people are buying, and you basically get commission for that. So that's basically it. Since you stay to the end of the video, I'm gonna give you a free gift. So the free gift is contained of a free ebook that will teach you how to get started with affiliate marketing for free. So it will teach you how to get started from A to Z and all the ins and outs and what you need to know and all that stuff. So basically, click the first link in my description. It will be the first link there. So if you found this YouTube video very helpful, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on post notification. And also leave a like and a comment because it gives me more feedback if I should post more content around this topic. So make sure you go do that. And I will see you next time when I post YouTube videos on this channel.